Hi folks, this is Chris Tincher with East Tennessee Dodge. I'm going to take a moment to show you this 2016 Ram 1500 sport truck with the Hemi 5.7 liter. Super slick ride, 20-inch polished aluminum wheels. Black leather interior. Built-in coolers in the rear floorboard. These will actually hold 9 cans of soda with ice. There's one on each side. These side step tubes are something that we added at the dealership. They do not come with the vehicle as the factory package. Those are $773. Sprayed in bed liner. Comes with all the goodies: rear backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, heated seats, she is available for a test drive. You can contact me at 931-335-9483. Once again, my name is Chris. I'm with East Tennessee Dodge. Thank you for watching.